To buy a limit order on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the market page of the stock you want to purchase. A limit order allows you to specify the price you are willing to pay for a stock, giving you more control over your investment. First, locate the stock you want to buy and tap on it to go to its detail page. On this page, you will see the current price of the stock and other relevant information. Tap the buy button to begin the order process. Next, you will be asked to choose the type of order you want to place. Select limit order from the options. A limit order window will appear, where you can enter the number of shares you want to buy and the limit price. The limit price is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. For example, if you want to buy 10 shares of a stock with a current price of $50, but you only want to pay $45 per share, you would enter $45 as your limit price. After entering your limit price and the number of shares, review your order to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with your order, tap the Confirm button to submit it. Your limit order will then be sent to the exchange, where it will be matched with a seller who is willing to sell at your specified price. If the stock reaches your limit price, the order will be executed, and you will own the shares. It is essential to note that limit orders are not guaranteed to be filled, especially if the stock price does not reach your specified limit price. Also, be aware of the trading hours and volatility of the stock market, as these can affect the execution of your order. To manage your limit orders, go to the Pending Orders section of the app, where you can view, edit, or cancel your orders. It is crucial to monitor your orders and adjust them according to market conditions to maximize your investment returns. By following these steps and understanding how limit orders work, you can make more informed investment decisions and take control of your portfolio on Robinhood. Remember to always set a limit price that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance, and continuously learn and adapt to the ever-changing market conditions.